Hello Royal family, welcome back to Glam Queen of Decor, and if you're new here, welcome. Now today's video is my new 2022 winter living room refresh. If that sounds interesting to you, stay tuned. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on your post notifications. Alright family, let's get this room refresh started. And family, do make sure you subscribe to the Glam Queen of Decor. Now I'm going to let you see how I styled and refreshed my space for winter 2022. And as you can see, my colors are white, silver, and gray. I hope you enjoyed what I created. I hope it gives you lots of inspiration. So, just check out what the Glam Queen did. Alright you guys, this completes my 2022 winter living room refresh, and once again I hope it did give you some inspiration with just using pure neutral colors, which is the whites and the silvers. You know I do love metals. Make sure you come back Monday for our regular scheduled video. We are sticking to our schedule of Sunday, Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And to family, if you're not a part of this royal family, make sure you do subscribe to Glam Queen of Decor, Glam Queen of DIY, Glam Queen Unboxing, and Glam Queen Vlogs. We will see you here on another video. Bye everyone, stay blessed and always stay positive.